Today we are going to learn Eggless version of burnt Basque cheesecake. Basque cheesecake is crustless, creamy dessert characterized by its burnt caramelized top and rich custard-like interior. Originating from Basque region of Spain, it is baked at very high temperature to achieve its unique flavor and texture. In today's video, we will understand all ingredients and what role it plays in the recipe. Also, I have a special bonus for you, so stay tuned till end. The first and foremost ingredient which we will use is cream cheese. It will be base ingredient which will give creamy texture and cheesy taste. Next, we will use heavy cream which also give creaminess and stability to our crustless baked cheesecake. Then we will use condensed milk which will act as milk and sugar substitute in cheesecake batter. Next is Greek yogurt which will give slight tanginess and texture to cheesecake. Then we will use sugar to balance sweetness. I have used powdered sugar, you can also use castor sugar as well. Then, cornstarch to bind it all together, avoid splitting of heavy cream, and make sure it keeps cheesecake thick after bake and not runny. We will also use baking powder to give it rise and vanilla essence to give it flavor. So let's get started. First, take room temperature cream cheese in a bowl and beat it until creamy. Then add sugar, cornstarch, heavy cream, condensed milk, Greek yogurt, and beat it until smooth creamy batter. Finally, add baking powder and vanilla essence. You can use vanilla extract as well. Mix it well. Now take a baking tin and line it with butter paper. Pour your batter in it. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and then bake your cheesecake for 20 to 25 minutes until your cheesecake turns golden brown from top and little jiggly from center. Take it out, let it cool and come to room temperature. Then put it in refrigerator for 3 hours. Now your burnt past cheesecake is ready to serve. Remove it from tin, cut into slices and serve it. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will try it for yourself or your home bakery. Now it's time for special bonus. If you are interested in baking recipes with egg, then I have got you covered. Check the description where I have mentioned eggless and egg recipe both with all the steps. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I'm on a mission to make you a better baker.